Anyone involved in business knows that managing orders and returns takes tremendous amounts of time and resources, but that's part of running. So for clients that don't already have their own full-service website, we're proud to present Orderback, which is a ready-to-use, fully customizable order and returns customer portal to help you serve your customers. On Orderback, you'll be able to have your customers view order statuses, check balances, pay bills, initiate returns, print return labels, and reorder all without your customer service. Basically, your own website. It's completely integrated with Sellercloud. It's an extension of Sellercloud. There's no importing data, there's no duplicate data, and there's no learning another whole back end. Anything that's on Orderback will be in Sellercloud. Anything on Sellercloud will be in Orderback automatically. It's your own website. It's set with your brand, your background, your company logos, your fonts, your colors, exactly to match your company theme. Basic ideas of what it can do for you. What it can do for you is it can save your customer service resources. It applies your policy to automatically calculate refund amounts. It can help you turn your returns into exchanges, can facilitate repeat purchases, and through all of this, help you have your customers be happy. Your customers will have the transparency of being able to track their packages, check their refund statuses all on their own, the convenience of doing it at their own schedule. They'll have proactive issue resolution. You'll be able to just help themselves at any time during the day. I'm going to give you just a quick demo of what the app looks like, the customer experience. They log on to your website with your branding with either the order number and zip code or with just their email address. It can be the Sellercloud order number or a channel order number. And they see their order history, much like when you log into the back end of any website. And they have the options to be able to check their shipping status, view and pay the outstanding balances. They can easily click return, and they'll, much like the return process on any other website, they'll be able to return your products without involving your customer service. You define the return window, the restocking, the shipping fees. They choose the items, they give the reasons. And then they're prompted for how they want the resolution. If they would like it to be a return for a refund, a replacement, an exchange, they can exchange right there on Orderback for any variation within Sellercloud. It pulls the variation data from Sellercloud, and any variation of the product, they can choose to exchange it for a different variation. They confirm. It applies your return policies to set the refund amount in Sellercloud. You no longer need to manually calculate how your refund applies to each RMA. Immediately, the RMA is created in Sellercloud and showed to the user. The reason, the refund amount already set in Sellercloud, and much like most customers are waiting and expecting, they can print their return label and send it back on their own. And that, again, that return label exists in Sellercloud for you to be able to track and see where it's up to. Orderback also allows you, for those who are wholesale sellers, to be able to allow your wholesale customers to create new orders. The user simply adds SKUs that they would like to order. They can pull up their existing addresses that are already on file in Sellercloud. They can choose one of them or enter a new address and confirm. Order is immediately created in Sellercloud, and the user is given the option to pay using Way to Pay Me. Reorders are also, to make reordering even easier, we offer the option to just click order again, and the new order is created with all the existing data pulled from the existing order, and they can easily reorder. Helpful for wholesale orders that are calling to or emailing to repeat the same order over and over again. This can really free up your time. So thank you for watching this Orderback demo, and I hope that Orderback can help you help your customers.